Contre-Fitness is dedicated to providing self-defense and self-empowerment to our members. Based on the success rate of the program, we decided this needs to be a community-wide message. Contre-Fitness is proud to partner with Amy K to provide self-defense knowledge to the community.
Thank you, Kristin. Hi everyone, I'm Amy Koeniger. I've been training in the martial arts close to 20 years. I currently hold a 5th and 6th degree black belt with the Filipino Martial Arts Academy, as well as with Kakoy 12 Pares Eskrima. All that means is that I have a lot of tools in my toolbox and the confidence to use those tools if I ever need to. I also enjoy teaching those tools to others. I have an extensive background in self-defense methodologies, as well as in the psychology of violence. This distinction from martial arts is important when we start talking about things like prevention and awareness. I am so passionate about self-defense, and I'm very excited to partner with Kristin and Contre-Fitness so that we can bring this message to the wider community. Together, we are better. Individually, we are empowered. Let's celebrate feeling safe. In this seminar, we're going to be discussing prevention versus engagement. We're also going to be utilizing some scenario-based training. What this allows us to do is to practically apply methods in environmental awareness, risk assessment, deterrence, as well as de-escalation. Using these tools, I invite you to feel confident in your own voice and with the right to feel safe in this time and space. Own your boundaries.